Hey, Grandma. Okay, here you go. Early in the morning. Here's your new garage doors. I don't know if you can see that white up above the garage door. That's painted white up above there, and in the corner it's also painted white here. So I'm going to go right into the sun. So bear with me, Grandma. I'm going to try and get out of the sun here. I don't know if that worked, but anyway, hope you didn't get blinded. As the white trim goes up, and it kind of, let's see if I can back out into the street. Or tell me what I'm taking a picture of. Can't see. But that's the front of the garage there. So I'm gonna stay out here so the sun don't wipe this video out. And come back into it. There you go. You see, I don't know if you can see how they've got that. The gable over here is the same way. It's got that white trim around it. Then you come down to your pillars. Then you go to your front doors. Where that sun's reflecting off of the house and hitting those front doors. They almost look yellow in this picture. Of course, they may have a little beigey color to them because they have not been actually painted yet themselves. So anyway, there you go, Grandma. That's with the new doors and garage doors and inserts in the front doors and stuff.